Hello, here once more again. My name is sezojames. Today, I want to start the Microsoft Excel series. The Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet application that is widely utilized for computing, analyzing, manipulating data. It is an excellent tool for handling various types of data, and many users leverage it for data storage. It's common to encounter other software applications that provide options to explore data as Excel file or to import data from Excel. It plays a vital role in decision making across various industries. Wherever you hear about a startup raising funds, a company managing an accurate data, the fundamental numbers that inform those decisions often originate in Excel. In this course, my objective is to drive you through the power of Excel and to make you understand Excel more. At the time of recording this video, I am an accomplished data analyst, a top data science voice on LinkedIn, and I bring over 6 years of experience in this field. As a data professional, I use the following tools in my day-to-day work, such as Excel, Power BI, SPSS, SQL, Python, R, and other data analytics tools. Over the past few years, I've been using Microsoft Excel to analyze data from one industry to another. At the time of recording this video, I am a Google Data Analyst Professional, Business Intelligence and Data Analyst certified by the CFI, Corporate Finance Institute of Canada, a data scientist, a data analyst, Master of Computer Applications with specialization in artificial intelligence and machine learning. So to go further and know much about me, you can just go ahead and search in Google. Just type Sir Edward James here and it will directly show you everything about my profile. A lot about me, let's dive into it. Further, we want to first define what is Excel. If we can ask ourselves, what is Excel? Well, here we said Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program that is part of the Microsoft Office suite of applications. It is used to organize, format, and calculate data using a grid of cells, arranging it in rows and columns. We can ask ourselves, what are rows and what are columns? A row is different from a column. When you first open an Excel, you see a set of characters, numbers, and you see a ribbon and a menu. But further in this series, you will have to explore and see all these different attributes that I'm actually talking about. Let us define what is a row. Here, we said a row is a horizontal series of cells and a worksheet. In Excel, rows are identified by numbers like 1, 2, 3, and etc. On the left-hand side of the worksheet, each row contains multiple cells and rows extend horizontally across the worksheet. Example, it can be row 1, row 2, row 3. And when you talk about Excel, columns, a column is a vital series of cells in a worksheet. Columns are identified by letters such as A, B, C, and so on and so forth. Now, let us explore how many rows, how many columns, and the capacity of Excel. In Excel, one single Excel worksheet can hold up to 1,048,576 rows of data. Now, and also, a column in Excel can hold up to 16,384 columns of data. Going further, let me show you the overall capacity of Excel. Below here has a capacity of 1,048,576 rows at the time of recording this video and 16,384 columns the total capacity is over 17 billion cells available for data entry in a single worksheet. Now, when you first open an Excel, you see a worksheet appearing just like this. Over here with the red, we call it an Excel menu, which entails the file, the home, the insert, the page layout, the formula, the data, the review, the view, the developer, and you can even make your own customized ribbon. Yeah, you heard me right. You can make your own customized ribbon, which helps to make your work much more efficient. Here, I directly illustrate a cell. A single cell is like just a little box in Microsoft Excel. Whenever you open a Microsoft Excel workbook, here you can find each cell in the workbook like this. Now, a clear illustration of a row and a column in Microsoft Excel. Here, the arrow pointing downwards indicates a column in Excel, and the arrow pointing to the right hand side indicates a row in Microsoft Excel. Now, the experience of opening Microsoft Excel for the first time. Let's locate Microsoft Excel. For me here, it is below in my tab section. And if you can't find it here below in your tab section, you can type it out here, Excel, E-X-C-E-L. And here, as you see, I'm using Excel 2016, version 2016, as I'm recording this video. Now, when I click once to enter into Excel, I'm given a dialog here indicating various Excel templates of different workbook. Over here, it gives me an overview of my previous work in Microsoft Excel. Now, to start my work, I have to locate this one that indicates blank workbook, in which I have to double click to open. So now when I click, it opens. Now it gives me the overview of my Microsoft Excel. As you see in my previous slides, I directly mentioned the file, the home, the data, the insert, page layout, formula, review, view, and developer as the menu section of Microsoft Excel. Going further, I explained to you that every box here is being called a cell. Now, every cell here in Microsoft Excel have a name attached to it. The name attached to it directly is being indicated by the rows and column where the cell is being placed. Now, let's just try to know the name of the cell which is being selected here. The name of the cell is being located right here above the Microsoft Excel ribbon. Now, the name of the cell is cell C3. How Excel was able to capture this name is by citing the row and column. Now, let's just see here and here. You see, this dark thick area is being called as cell A3. And when I go to the next cell, it gives me cell D3. And to the next, it gives me cell E3. And to the next, it gives me cell F3. So here, this directly indicates that every cell in Microsoft Excel have a name. And this name is being indicated in the naming dialog here. Going further, we want to know how to adjust our rows and our columns. Now, if we want to adjust our rows, maybe our rows are much more smaller, we can directly hold it here and left click on our mouse, and then we drag in order to open it wide, and then we can hold there again and drag to close it. We can adjust it to the best size we want our text to display. And in adjusting this section, we can hold here on our left, click on the mouse, and then we drag, and then we can left click again, we drag to close it. This is the way to adjust cells in Microsoft Excel. Another simple technique here again I can explore is to show you the sheet. The sheet here can be added by clicking this plus button here to add a new sheet. Now when I click this new button here, it adds a new sheet, and then when I click it again, it adds another new sheet, and when I click it again, it adds another new sheet. By default, it is naming them sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, and sheet 4. But I can automatically change this name by right clicking on my mouse, and then it will show me rename, and then by clicking rename, I can enter a customized name like day 1 of my work, and then I press enter on my keyboard, and then this name is now changed to day 1. As well as these other sheets, I can do the same for them. Now, before we start entering data in Microsoft Excel, I just want to give you an overview of different sections that are much more sensitive. Over here below this tag, you can right click here where my mouse is pointing, and then it will give you a series of options here which are customized status bar. This helps to customize the status bar below here to do our quick calculation or to directly indicate a particular attribute of a character being inputted in a cell within Microsoft Excel. Now, for example, if I input 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, if I highlight this directly, you will see Excel have directly indicated the average here, the count, and the sum, because it is indicated here in my customized status bar. The average is being set, the count is being set, and also the page number is being set. Also the sum, the max is not being set. But if I click the max now and then I click the mean, it will directly indicate below here in the status bar, it has indicated mean and then the max. And also you are seeing the sum here. This is how to change the status bar for quick analysis and to understand our basic Excel calculation. You just have to highlight any particular amount of cells and it will show you the direct calculation below here. Going further, I want to just show you the various ways we can add our quick access bar here. Over this section, we can add our quick access tool in this section. Let me just show you how we can change this Excel interface to a black interface. Now we go to File, click, and then we come to Option, after which we can see down below here it have Office Theme, Office Background, and in this particular section we can click and then we see dark gray. We can then tap on dark gray to have a dark background. Now by selecting it, we press OK, and you see our Excel ribbon here is now black. Now to return back, we go back and then we go to Options, we come back here, we said white, and then we get back our normal screen. It depends how you want to use Excel and on which particular interface you want to work on Excel. Another thing again, I want to show you how you can close up an Excel workbook. By clicking this arrow here, which is having this X, you see it is showing the close tag. When I drag my cursor over there, it is showing me close. And by clicking that one, it directly closes our Excel worksheet. And here it maximizes the Excel workbook, and here it minimizes the Excel workbook. Going further, another interface here is here, the formula bar. Over here in the formula bar, it directly indicates a cell being selected and its properties which are within that particular cell. Now, to explore this entire ribbon here, we will do that one gradually as we go through this course. Another thing again I want to cover very quickly is how to customize or add a quick access tool. Now, in Microsoft Excel, you might want to make your quick access tool very easy to locate, especially to make your work very easy. Now, below here, we are not seeing any quick access tool. It's because we haven't activated it. Now, to activate this one, you have to come here and then you see customize quick access tool. Here, you can customize all your quick access tool. For now, you can locate most of the quick access tools that have activated before this video here. As you can see here, the conditional format, here a camera, here a new worksheet button, and then a back button, a redo and an undo button, a save button. Now, if I want to bring this particular access toolbar below here, or to create a specific section over here, I can right click on this conditional button, and then I said show quick access toolbar. You see it has taken the quick access toolbar down here, and then I can right click here again. I said show quick access toolbar. It will take it back up. You see, that's the easy way. You can see show quick access toolbar, and then you can click again. It says show quick access toolbar, just to make sure you have a quick access toolbar to make your work very flexible instead of navigating over here in this Excel menu.